The vibrant traditional Thanksgiving festival Shad Mynsiem marked its successful conclusion in Umthro Ribhoi district on Sunday. Hundreds of spectators gathered to witness this annual celebration, which featured a colourful display of traditional dancing. This year's festival showcased 135 dancers, all participating in the lively dance performances. The festival, an expression of gratitude to God for the blessing received, was filled with rhythmic beats of drums and the tangmuri. Prominent figures in attendance included Robin Kurba, President of Seng Khilang, Sukdor Karakor, Assistant Secretary of Seng Khasi Khmer, El Sungo, President of Seng Khasi Umthro, along with other dignitaries, dancers and community members from across Ribhoi and Khasi Hills.
Shad ngila lak mentala kalalong sausin ngila pelong ngila sedang ini Shad duduk arajar kat kendai belai benengkong arab prakterik hadim tu kalau warno kalau lockdown pingcis nam ngi kamna yo su ben pelong ya Shad hadim tu lockdown pat ngila yo ben pelong ya Shad bat hadu bentakis kino sim bentai ya kena Shad ka kambun mentau snam namar macam snam ni kam duna kambun mentau snam data ai kublero ya tala lawan nak keleng dikenak seng dongi pada nak orikasi lawan pensengai wan ibu ping ya kena Shad pada pelong dia kasih.
A fire